In this video, we will discuss how to set up email subscription types in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to your HubSpot dashboard and click on Commerce until you can find subscriptions from there. In here, you can create a subscription, so proceed to click onto this Create tab, and in here, this will open the subscription editor. So just wait for this to successfully load all together, and you can just add right here the billing contact, company, billing address, line items. You can click onto this create custom line item, and in here edit the summary like subtotal and total. You can just right here the payment collection, which is automatic or manual, and can also accept online payments. Now in there you can actually input right here your invoice settings as well, such as comments and the likes. So just head over and edit right here in order to create the subscription, and after that click on this create option once you're done altogether. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.